channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But this is a gift for y'all. So it's to show my appreciation for actually subscribing to my channel. Like, I really appreciate it. And actually watching my videos too. I got these today, and I was gonna wait until I post a vlog, which the haul's gonna be in, but I'm not gonna wait because it's gonna be a while, to be honest. So this expires on the 24th. So here's a code. Another code right here. This is not much, but this is me starting off a little. In time, it will get better. $10 off. Y'all know Fashion Nova is expensive. It's first come, first serve. You only gonna use them once. Y'all only motivate me more to just keep going, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support, and shout out to my subscribers. I love y'all. So happy holidays, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.